Jamaica Watch this.
Prosecution witness, a police officer from CTOC, was recalled to the stand today for cross-examination, where questions centered around whether information from a popular blogger influenced the March 5, 2023 operation at North Avenue, where a man was shot and killed by the witness. Under questioning, the witness acknowledged that he listens to blogger Sir P from time to time, but denied ever receiving or acting on intel from him. Defense counsel referenced the witness's March 8, 2023 interview with Indicom and suggested that details about the third man who escaped on the day of the incident came from Politicks Watch. The prosecution strongly objected on the basis of the context of the information given. The witness later testified that he and his colleagues would listen to Politicks Watch at work. The defense suggested that during the March 5, 2023 incident, some of the witness's actions were influenced by what they heard on Politicks Watch. The witness strongly rejected that suggestion, maintaining that any information they received came from multiple sources, not solely from Sir P. Efforts by the defense to introduce a document to show inconsistencies were challenged by the prosecution, who argued there were no contradictions in the witness's evidence.